Life Philosophies Unleashed.
Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the timeless wisdom of one of history's greatest minds, Aristotle. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful ways to communicate effectively, following the principles of Aristotelianism. Aristotle believed that effective communication could unlock the doors to success, influence, and understanding. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone eager to enhance your communication skills, join us as we dive into Aristotle's teachings on logical arguments, credibility, emotional appeals, clear language, and the importance of practice. Get ready to unleash your inner orator and inspire those around you. Let's begin. 1. Use logical arguments. Aristotle, widely regarded as one of the greatest philosophers in history, placed a strong emphasis on the significance of logical arguments in effective communication. According to him, appealing to the reason and intellect of others is essential for persuasion. In Aristotle's view, logical arguments serve as the sturdy pillars that support and strengthen our messages, providing a solid foundation upon which we can construct a compelling case. To apply Aristotle's wisdom to our own communication, it is crucial to begin by organizing our thoughts and structuring our arguments. This involves identifying the main points we wish to convey and gathering supporting evidence to substantiate our claims. By establishing a clear structure, we can guide our audience through a logical flow of ideas, enabling them to follow our reasoning and arrive at sound conclusions. Another valuable tool Aristotle employed was the use of syllogisms. Syllogisms are 3-part logical structures consisting of 2 premises and a conclusion. By mastering the art of constructing and presenting syllogisms, we can craft persuasive arguments that are challenging to refute. These powerful reasoning structures allow us to connect premises in a way that leads inevitably to a logical conclusion, reinforcing the strength and coherence of our message. Furthermore, Aristotle advocated for engaging in thoughtful dialogue as a means of effective communication. Encouraging open-mindedness and fostering a respectful exchange of ideas creates an environment where logical arguments can flourish. By actively listening to others, considering their perspectives, and responding thoughtfully, we can engage in constructive discussions that further our understanding and promote effective communication. This approach not only allows us to refine our own arguments, but also cultivates an atmosphere of intellectual growth and collaboration. In summary, Aristotle's teachings on logical arguments provide valuable insights for enhancing our communication skills. By organizing our thoughts, constructing sound syllogisms, and engaging in thoughtful dialogue, we can harness the power of logical reasoning to communicate effectively and persuasively. Applying these principles to our own communication endeavors will help us build strong foundations for our messages, compellingly present our ideas, and foster meaningful exchanges with others. 2. Establish credibility. Establishing credibility is paramount in effective communication, and Aristotle recognized this fundamental principle. He understood that people are more inclined to trust and listen to those they perceive as credible. So, how can we go about building credibility and captivating our audience? The first step is to dress the part. Your appearance plays a crucial role in how others perceive you. Dressing professionally not only enhances your credibility, but also demonstrates respect for your audience. When you present yourself in a polished and appropriate manner, you immediately establish a positive impression. Next, focus on developing your expertise. Invest time and effort into deepening your knowledge in your field. Be passionate about expanding your understanding and staying updated with the latest advancements. People are naturally drawn to individuals who exude confidence and possess a wealth of knowledge. By becoming an expert, you gain the respect and attention of your audience. Additionally, showcasing your achievements and credentials further bolsters your credibility. Highlight your accomplishments, qualifications, and relevant experiences. Share your success stories and notable milestones. By doing so, You provide tangible evidence of your expertise and establish yourself as an authority figure in the eyes of your audience. Engaging with your audience is another vital aspect of credibility. Actively respond to their questions, concerns, and feedback. Demonstrate genuine interest and attentiveness. Show that you value their opinions and perspectives, and be open to constructive dialogue. By actively engaging with your audience, you foster a sense of connection and trust, reinforcing your credibility. Remember, credibility is built over time through consistent actions and authentic interactions. It is essential to demonstrate expertise, showcase achievements, and engage with your audience genuinely. By establishing credibility, you lay a solid foundation for effective communication, allowing your message to resonate and captivate your audience with greater impact. 3. Use emotional appeals. Aristotle, known for his emphasis on logic and credibility in communication, also recognized the power of emotions in effectively connecting with an audience. While appealing to the rational mind is important, it is equally essential to tap into the emotional side of communication in order to truly resonate with others. One powerful way to engage emotions is through the use of personal stories. Stories have a unique ability to evoke emotions, capture attention, and create memorable experiences. By crafting narratives that touch the hearts of the audience, communicators can establish a deeper level of connection and foster empathy. Visual aids and imagery can also be utilized to evoke emotions. As the saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. By incorporating powerful visuals such as inspiring images, relatable videos, or compelling infographics, communicators can effectively stimulate emotional responses in their audience. Visuals have a way of conveying emotions that words alone may struggle to achieve. Inclusive language plays a significant role in appealing to emotions. By using inclusive pronouns such as we and us, communicators make their audience feel seen, valued, and included. This fosters a sense of belonging and creates an emotional bond between the speaker and the listeners. It demonstrates that the speaker understands and respects the shared experiences and perspectives of the audience. Inspiration and upliftment are crucial in emotionally connecting with an audience. By delivering messages that resonate with the aspirations and values of the listeners, communicators can tap into their emotions and motivate them to embrace their potential, overcome challenges, and strive for greatness. By touching the emotions of the audience, communicators leave a lasting impact and inspire positive change. Incorporating these strategies of emotional appeal into communication not only enriches the connection between the speaker and the audience, but also allows for a more holistic and impactful exchange of ideas. Aristotle's recognition of the power of emotions reminds us that effective communication involves more than just logical arguments and credibility. It requires an understanding of human emotions and the ability to tap into them to create meaningful connections. 4. Use clear and concise language. Aristotle, the renowned philosopher, recognized that effective communication requires clarity and conciseness. In today's world, where information overload is prevalent, it becomes increasingly crucial to cut through the noise and deliver messages that are easily understood. Aristotle offers valuable insights on how we can achieve clarity and conciseness in our communication. The first step is to use simple language. It is essential to avoid using jargon, technical terms, or convoluted phrases that may confuse your audience. Instead, strive to communicate in a manner that is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. By using plain language, you can ensure that your message reaches a broader audience and is readily comprehensible. In addition to simplicity, Aristotle emphasizes the power of providing concrete examples. Abstract concepts and ideas can be challenging for people to grasp, but by illustrating your points with relatable examples and real-life scenarios, you make your message more tangible and relatable. This approach helps your audience better understand complex concepts by relating them to familiar experiences, thereby enhancing their comprehension and engagement. Another technique Aristotle advocates for achieving clarity and conciseness is the use of visual aids and diagrams. Visual representations can often convey information more effectively than words alone. By incorporating charts, graphs, diagrams, and other visual elements into your communication, you can simplify complex information and make it easier for your audience to understand and remember. Visuals have a way of capturing attention and enhancing the overall clarity of your message. Lastly, Aristotle emphasizes the importance of active listening. Effective communication is a two-way process that requires attentiveness to your audience's responses, questions, and nonverbal cues. By actively listening, you gain valuable insights into their level of comprehension and engagement. This enables you to adapt your language and approach accordingly, ensuring that your message is clear and effectively received. In conclusion, Aristotle's teachings on clarity and conciseness in communication are highly relevant in today's information-saturated world. By using simple language, providing concrete examples, utilizing visual aids, and practicing active listening, we can enhance our communication skills and ensure that our messages are not only understood, but also resonate with our audience. Embracing these principles can lead to more impactful and effective communication in various personal and professional settings. 5. Practice communicating. Aristotle's emphasis on practice as a means to enhance our communication skills cannot be overstated. Just as a musician refines their craft through countless hours of practice, we too must dedicate time and effort to become effective communicators. But how exactly can we practice and improve? First and foremost, it is essential to rehearse and prepare. Take the time to practice your speeches, presentations, or even casual conversations. Stand in front of a mirror and deliver your message, paying attention to your body language, tone of voice, and overall delivery. Alternatively, engage a trusted friend or family member as a practice audience. By doing so, you can gain valuable feedback and insights, allowing you to build confidence and polish your communication skills. In addition to self-practice, actively seek feedback and attend workshops. Embrace opportunities to learn from experts in the field of communication. Participate in workshops or seminars that focus on improving communication skills. By interacting with experienced communicators and receiving constructive criticism, you can continually strive for improvement. Remain open-minded and receptive to refining your skills based on the feedback you receive. Engaging in role plays is another effective way to practice and strengthen communication abilities. Simulate real-life scenarios where effective communication is critical, such as handling difficult conversations, presenting to a large audience, or engaging in debates. By actively immersing yourself in these simulated situations, you can build resilience, adaptability, and confidence in your communication skills. This practical experience will prove invaluable when facing similar challenges in real-life situations. Lastly, sharing your knowledge with others is an excellent way to enhance your own communication skills. Consider mentoring aspiring communicators, starting a blog where you share insights and tips, or participating in public speaking events. Teaching others not only reinforces your own understanding of the subject matter, but also allows you to contribute to the growth and development of fellow communicators. By sharing your experiences and expertise, you can refine your communication abilities while making a positive impact on others. Remember, effective communication is an ongoing process that requires continuous practice, feedback, and refinement. By incorporating these strategies into your journey, you can elevate your communication skills to new heights and confidently engage with others in a variety of contexts. And there you have it, Aristotle's 5 powerful ways to communicate effectively, using logical arguments, establishing credibility, employing emotional appeals, using clear and concise language, and practicing communication. Remember, effective communication is a skill that can be honed and refined over time. By implementing these principles, you have the potential to inspire, persuade, and connect with others on a profound level. So embrace the teachings of Aristotle and unleash your inner orator. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep communicating and making a positive impact in the world. Until next time.